Alright guys, welcome to the video. As you can see here, I have my iPhone 5S running iOS 9.0.2 and currently jailbroken with Cydia, and I am running the iPhone 6 display, so please ignore that. Don't take that into account that it is not a 6 or anything. I'll be doing tweak reviews and stuff again here in the near future, but I wanted to cover today basically a bunch of ways to avoid any errors, especially that nasty error 0A with the Pangu 1.0.1 or 1.0 Windows tool, as well as even future versions. This may help a lot of errors. So some of the biggest things are all going to be in here in the settings app. What you guys are going to want to do is go ahead and go to your passcode settings. Turn off any form of passcode. So if you have Touch ID or passcode here enabled, make sure to turn off Touch ID first, then turn off your passcode, and then with iCloud down here, you're going to, it's at the very bottom, I cut it off so that way you guys can't see my ID. Go in. Not only do you want to turn off Find My iPhone, so make sure to turn that off first, then also make sure to sign out of iCloud. It will just make everything so much easier. Alongside that, you will also want to go to General, Auto Lock, and then change it to Never, so that way it will not lock while anything is going on. This will all be covered in the tutorial video, which is a separate video that will be coming up later. So you want to make sure you do all of that, as well as obviously turn on that airplane mode. Make sure there's no service whatsoever coming out of the device. No cellular, no Wi-Fi, nothing. Just turn it off entirely, get rid of it. That way you will guarantee that a higher success rate. Also, what you want to do is the easiest way obviously is to restore from a brand new device. Whole new device. Just wipe the device clean with a laptop. Make sure to restore to 9.0.2. Obviously, if you're not on 9.0.2, update to it and make a backup of your latest, or make a backup, then update to 9.0.2 and restore to that backup that you just made. And that way you will almost definitely never have to encounter the error 0A. Also, make sure the iTunes on your Windows machine is the latest version of iTunes. You also want to make sure that you run the Pangu tool as an admin. I'm sorry, I am having one heck of a time speaking today. So make sure to run that as an admin, and then at that point you should basically be good to be able to jailbreak with no errors and hopefully do it flawlessly with no issues at all. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the error avoidance, and if there's any other errors or anything that else you can avoid to help you avoid the errors, make sure to leave it in the comments below, and I will add it into the description and give you guys credit for helping me catch that. Oh, one other thing before I go, make sure you're using the real Apple charger cable. If you're using any form of third party, you can encounter errors. It is much easier to use just the stock Apple cable, and that can even fix every issue in and of itself. Also, make sure you are using the latest Pangu tool that is out at the time for whatever system you are using. That will also help. But I think that is everything now. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the actual tutorial, and I will see you all in the very near future.